Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the fix of this error, which is the installation cannot continue, log on as administrator or contact your system administrator. So in order to fix this, what you have to do is click in between of this error and press Ctrl C. What this will do is this will copy all the text from the error menu and then open Notepad and paste the text you copied here. Now what you have to do is copy only the path which you can see here from C to the program directory, open file explorer, and then from on the path directory remove everything which appears here and then paste the path you copied before. Once you do this, hit enter and it will open this folder, programs folder. Now create a new folder and then copy the file name and paste the file name on folder name. Once you do this, hit enter, and now I will provide you this link in description. Just copy the link in description and paste it on any web browser and this will bring you to this page. Just click on download and then run this program and click on run. Then click on yes and then click on OK. Once you do this, go back to the folder you created just before and right click on it, click on show more options and then click on take ownership. Approve the permission and then retry to install your software again. As you can see, installation successfully completed, and this is how you can fix your problem. So yes, this is it for today's video. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.